Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to whitelist constant contact. Email whitelisting is a simple technique that recognizes specific email addresses or domains as approved contacts. Any email sent from a whitelisted address will automatically appear in your inbox rather than ending up in your spam folder. All right. Every email service provider, like Gmail right here, uses a different interface from its competitors. So the steps for whitelisting an email address will vary for each. However, the concept remains the same. Now to whitelist an email here under Gmail, that is actually pretty easy. Just go ahead over to the gear icon right here at the top right, click on it. Now go ahead and find See All Settings. Click on it. Now in here, just go ahead and go to Filters and Blocked Addresses right here in these tabs at the top. Okay, just click on it. Now in here, as you can see, we have these blocked addresses or domains. So what we're going to do is just basically click on Unblock right here at the right side. Okay, as you can see, we have Core Digest. Now these messages right here or the following email addresses are blocked, and messages from these addresses will appear in spam. So if you want to get it back to your inbox right here or receive emails from them directly to your inbox, you can go ahead and unblock them. All right. That is basically whitelisting the email address or domain. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.